If you don't want to be replaced by AI in 2025, learn these 4 AI tools. The first one is Heygen plus 11 Labs. Heygen is a AI avatar generator जिसके अंदर तुम्हें अपनी 20 से 30 सेकंड की वीडियो अपलोड करनी होती है इन स्टूडियो लाइटिंग एंड उससे तुम एक AI avatar जनरेट कर सकते हो दैट कैन हेल्प यू इन रिपर्पसिंग योर कंटेंट और तुम अपनी डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज के ऊपर फोकस कर सकते हो बिना कंटेंट की टेंशन लिए. ऑल्सो विद वीडियो जनरेशन यू कैन जनरेट वॉइस ओवर्स फ्रॉम 11 लैब्स जो तुम्हें पूरा ऑडियो और वीडियो को एक पैकेज दे देगा जिससे तुम सीमलेसली अपना कंटेंट पोस्ट कर सकते हो. बट 11 लैब्स में तुम्हें ऑलमोस्ट 10 से 11 घंटे की ऑडियो ट्रेनिंग करनी पड़ेगी जिससे तुम एक अच्छा आउटपुट एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो. एंड इफ यू आर अ फाउंडर और क्रिएटर देयर इज अ वेरी स्पेशल ऑफर फॉर यू at the end of this video. तब तक के लिए let's move to the next part. The second one is Nano Banana. This is the best app to create realistic photos as well as your YouTube thumbnails. The third one is Suno AI. This AI model is trained to generate background music for your video that are non-copyright और तुम इन म्यूजिक को अपनी वीडियोस में यूज कर सकते हो ताकि म्यूजिक लेबल्स तुम्हारा रेवेन्यू शेयर ना कर ले. Also 98% of you have not even subscribed this channel. If you find these type of content valuable, then please consider subscribing. That helps me a lot. The fourth one is Google Gemini Veo 3. This is an AI that is created by Google specifically to generate videos. This is included in their Google AI Suite plan, which is optimized to generate videos either from images or text. And this is one of the best video generation models because this can also generate realistic sound effects along with videos. But also there is a catch. Sora 2 has been recently launched and that is even better than Gemini. Okay, if you are still here then I have a bonus AI tool for you. That is called Claude AI. This is the best AI model to generate video scripts because this is trained on human emotions so it can write naturally as a human. And the output is also like human and not some AI bot writing your scripts. Now comes the surprise for all the founders and aspiring content creators who want to make content but don't have enough time from their busy schedule. Then we at Experience Media are offering an AI avatar plan for you in which you have to just give us 48 hours every month and we would make your entire content on autopilot, including these 4 AI tools that I mentioned above along with 90 plus AI tools that are integrated in our system. And currently we are looking for 3 more clients to onboard on this plan. So if you are interested, fill the Google form below and our team would get back to you. Also, these were the AI tools that are specific to content creation. If you want to know more about your specific industry, then comment down below and I'll make a video for you. For more such videos, subscribe to XPath.